Hi, I am Senthil Kumar from Enercon Asia Pacific India Operations. Today, I am here with you to take you through Enercon covered roll filter station. As the name suggests, the covered roll means the roller has got an insulation coating, could be ceramic or vulcanized silicon, or it could be a silicon sleeve. With the combination of metal electrode, it forms a corona covered roll filter station. Now, this corona filter subsystem plays a very important role in the film extrusion line. Breakdown in the corona treater will result in loss of material and time to restart the film from beginning. Hence, we need to ensure that we have the right type of treater station at your film extrusion lines. Now, let us look at it. What are the parameters one should look at it while selecting the right type of corona treater? First and foremost is the high quality and reliable corona treater, and one should get consistent and uniform treatment across the entire width and both the sides. Of course, easy to operate and maintain the system, able to accommodate different type of job shapes, could be width, it could be thickness, and it should be very safe and high level of automation. These are the parameters one should verify while deciding the corona treater station. Now, let us take the first point of high quality and reliable system. Typically, corona treater consists of a power source and high voltage transformers and the treater station. The treater station consists of the rollers, electrode assemblies, and accessories like speed sensors and interlocks and so on, etc. So, when we talk about quality, the electronics should be very reliable power electronics, and it should be long life and totally enclosed high voltage transformers which operates for decades at very low temperatures, and treater station is a precisely manufactured machine with high quality rollers, precisely machined and balanced, and high quality silicon sleeves and very good electrode assemblies forms a quality treater station. Now, let us take the second point of consistent treatment across the entire web bit. This is a very important phenomena or the parameter required at the site. To get a consistent treatment, one should have a consistent and uniform corona across the entire width. This can be achieved by correct air gap right from that end to this end. Typically, for 1.8 meters of this size of station, Enercon has chosen a 150 diameter roller. So, this roller will have a very minimum deflection mechanically, and the electrode assembly is so sturdy and solid that with very minimum deflection you can get consistent air gap set on this particular machine. And the rollers are balanced to grade 6.3, and they forms a long life of bearings and other accessories. Now, let us move on to the third point of able to accommodate different width and different thickness of the job as you get different types of material when you are running the system. Here we have the segmented electrodes, so one can flip on, flip off and adjust the web bit to the required length, and also we have a provision called low power and high power selection here, and only this space is visible or selected for low power selection, and this area will be off, so that you get a very small area and very low power for running very thin film of materials. So, you can run different thickness and different width of the material to accommodate your requirement. Then next, let us move on to the safety. The safety is very important, that the high voltage area is completely closed, and we have got high voltage trip. In the event of any short circuit, the power unit will trip the system, and the high voltage area is not access to the operator, and these electrodes are covered with insulation covers, so that this is completely safe, and ozone is removed at the point of generation through the exhaust blowers, so that ozone is not leaked to the operator area, so that this is a very safe system. Now let's go to the last point of automation. Automation is very important as we are to move towards system dependent rather from the operator dependent. This particular machine with a combination of Enercon deluxe power supply, that it can sense the line speed and start the chronometer, and also it constantly monitor the line speed. If the line speed drops below certain threshold value, it stops chronometer, and then the auto watt density feature, it automatically increase or decrease the line speed proportional to the line speed. And the fault diagnosis like the station interlocks, the blower, exhaust trip and HV trip, all these fault diagnosis ensure that you got right level of automation so that your film will always have right type of treatment. Now, please feel free to call me and discuss anytime. I am available and we would be very happy to support you with your next project. Thank you.